that another type of roller coaster? And okay, you have that. Swing. Swing. Look at wow! I actually regret not choosing that.
You do that in England, Ilya. There, oh, that's Taal!
Where?
That one.
That?
That's Taal volcano.
That's a volcano?
Yes, munang diputo nga nag-abo aso sila dere.
And there's this. Look at that.
You point like that, na. You point, kana, na ka. Oh, look, point. Then look here. There. Wait, ha, ngayon mo klaro.
Oh, but there's someone zipline.
Okay, point. Look here. Yeah. That's Taal. Hello, Taal.
Oh. That's so cool.
Taal is part of Cavite, Laguna, Batangas. Batangas na siya.
Okay.
Calabar Zone, remember?
Sorry, I don't.
Wow, look at the view. What?
Maybe story this. But was it an image or a video?
Picture, video and image.
That's
Point again. Wow, video. You want video? Yay! Point it again. Okay, look here. Point. Yay! Nice.
At least aircon.
Yeah, it's aircon. But the aircon is not here. There.
No, it still feels up.
So aqua, the aircon is here in the side.
Ayan. It's way too cold. Anyway, look at that. What if it suddenly becomes active?
Ah, wala pa na.
Fair enough. Oh, we're so high.